Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to rename Google Form link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Google Forms website and sign in to access your Google Forms dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main page of Google Forms. This is where all your forms are listed. If you're creating a new form, go ahead and start it, but if you're renaming an existing form, locate it on your dashboard. To rename your form, click on the title of the form at the top left corner of the page. This title is also the default name of your link. Now you can type in your new desired name. After renaming your form, be sure to click anywhere on the form. This simple action triggers Google Forms to autosave your new title, ensuring that your changes are not lost. Next, you're going to want to share your newly named form. Click on the Publish button at the top right. This opens various options for sharing your form, including sending it via email, sharing a link, or embedding it on a website. And that's it. So that is how you can rename Google Form link. So that's all for this video. Thanks.